Hi everybody, Justin Caldwell from Caldwell Outdoor Equipment. Just wanted to let you know we actually service and repair ATVs and side-by-sides. Wanted to also let you know we've got the fastest turnaround time for that kind of work of anybody around. So if you bring in your four-wheeler, your side-by-side by 9 a.m., we'll actually have it looked at by a mechanic and a quote back to you the same day. We got very fast turnaround. We can also offer some upgrades, some lighting packages, some accessories for your four-wheeler or UTV. So give us a call, 636-586-9607, and schedule your service work for your ATV or your side-by-side. Or look us up online at caldwellequipment.com.